All right, so welcome back, and now we are inside your weekly units. And you have some instruction here, so essentially telling you that you have two due dates on Mondays and Thursdays, and also that typically you will have quiz for listening comprehension, reading comprehension, and speaking. So the phrases that you are learning, you will have to listen to me and then record. You're going to have to repeat what I'm saying, or also, let's say if I will say hello in French, you know how you would respond appropriately. So then you have a video, that's the one I'm taping right now, so it's not going to be exactly this one. And let's look at your first week. All right, so each week you have a folder, and inside that folder you find your objective for the week, the work you need to be done for the Monday, and the work that need to be done for the Thursday. So let's go in. All right, so your first week is from March 14th to March 20th, and you're learning about greetings. You have your objective here. Those are important. Your first assignment. So your first assignment is easy. You have to, subscribe to the general question forum. This is where you're going to ask technical questions. Some student might have the answer. So it's more like talking about all the little issues and problems that we can have. And then this is your first assignment, all right? So it's called VoiceThread. You will read the information here, and all you need to do is watch this video where I introduce myself, and you will click at the bottom of that screen here once you load it, and you have a plus sign, and then you just need to introduce yourself there. So that's your first assignment. Let's go back. And here's a typical, your first assignment is a bit different because we start the semester, but this would be a typical folder, all right? So that's your assignment 2. That will be the work for your Thursday. So each assignment will start with what we call class assignment sheet. And so the topic here is learning proper greeting. And here's your objective. This is important. And the work you need to do. All right. So part 1, part 2, connecting to your virtual meeting with me. All right. Doing your quizzes. All right. And then assessing, did I reach, my goals, my objective. All right. So you always have your objectives, and then a folder for the practice, and then a folder for your assessment. All right. So when you go into your practice, all right, sorry, it's taking time to load. Okay, so when you go in your practice, you always have a first video with me explaining to you what you're learning. Then you have the document you can print. And then you have some videos or podcasts that I found on the web that are really practical. Remember, we don't have a book, and we don't have what we call super site where you can go and practice. So I had to, create resource for you to help you learning those essential phrases that you would need on your study abroad. So that's your practice, all right? So when you feel like you're ready, that you practice enough, then you go into your assessment. All right, so your first assessment is a cultural difference discussion. And see that your quizzes are not showing because they will show Friday when this Blackboard come live for you guys. So then you can see the quizzes. All right. So every week you will have your objective for the week, first assignment, second assignment. So first assignment would be every Mondays, and second assignment every Thursday. Inside your assignment, you have your class assignment sheet with your objective, how to go about to reach your objectives, You can, check, did I reach my objective? Folder for your practice and the folder for your assessment. So that's how every week is going to be. If you have any issues, please make sure to contact me as soon as possible.